I'm going to order nasi goreng jancuk. So it is the spiciest fried rice in Surabaya. So you can request either mid level of spicy or no spicy at all. So if you want to know, don't go where. I will make a review. Before we continue, you can press like that button when you find any useful information from this video, and also you can subscribe there so you will not miss your next adventure experience, and also you are pleased to share with your family and friends. Alright, so this food stall is a special spiciest food in Surabaya, penyetan cok. So basically Sioki is the root word from Surabaya. Usually Surabayan people use jancuk to express the madness. Okay, and this is the menu, and this is nasi goreng jancuk. Because the spicy is overload, it's the spiciest level in here, even more than 5 level for spicy level. So I'm going to pay OVO. Jancuk 1, lombok 7. Aku pakai OVO ya. Iya. Iya. Dekat AC situ nanti. Okay. So my order is coming, and this is egg. So this nasi goreng jancuk is based on the request for the spicy level. You can order either mid level of spicy or no spicy at all, and also you can request how many chili you want. So I was ordering 7 level of spicy level, and this is organ. Nasi goreng jancuk consists of organ, egg, salad or lettuce. It's from lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and also fresh chili as well. Fresh chili. And I'm starting from the organ now. So it's delicious, quite smooth. It's quite nice, but it's not too healthy. And the fried rice now. Delicious. So the spicy quite strong. And this is the shredded meat. It's quite nice. I like it. And the egg now. It's tasty. It's nice. You should taste this nasi goreng jancuk, because this is the characteristic of Surabayan people. The word COK or cok, it stands for jancuk, and it is the root word for Surabayan people to express their mad. this is end of my journey. If you find any useful information, you are pleased to share with your family and friends. Okay, have a lovely day and bye bye.